Case Study: AI-Driven Personalization in UX Design. In this case study, we will explore the transformative impact of artificial intelligence on the user experience UX design industry, specifically focusing on AI-driven personalization. As technology continues to evolve, AI has emerged as a powerful tool in tailoring user experiences to individual preferences, needs, and behaviors. We will examine how an e-commerce platform, Shoppies, integrated AI-driven personalization into its UX design process, resulting in improved user engagement and customer satisfaction. Background: Shoppies and its UX challenges. Shoppies is an online marketplace that offers a wide range of products, from electronics to fashion. With a growing user base, Shoppies faced several UX challenges. Information overload. As the platform expanded, the sheer volume of products and options overwhelmed users, making it difficult for them to find relevant items quickly. Low customer retention. Shoppies experienced a decline in customer retention and repeat purchases due to the lack of personalized shopping experiences. Conversion rates. The platform struggled to convert site visitors into customers, as many users left without making a purchase. Solution: implementing AI-driven personalization. To address these challenges, Shoppies decided to leverage AI-driven personalization to enhance its UX design. They partnered with AI specialists to develop a personalized recommendation engine that utilized machine learning algorithms and user behavior analysis. Personalized product recommendations. The AI-driven recommendation engine analyzed each user's browsing history, purchase behavior, and preferences to offer personalized product recommendations. These recommendations were displayed prominently on the homepage and product pages, increasing the likelihood of users finding products that match their interests. Tailored content and layout. The platform used AI to customize content and layout based on user demographics, location, and past interactions. This resulted in a more relevant and engaging shopping experience for each individual, boosting user engagement. Real-time personalization. The AI engine continuously learned from user interactions, adapting recommendations and content in real time. This ensured that users were presented with the most up-to-date and personalized choices, keeping them engaged and coming back for more. Results: positive impact on user experience and business performance. The integration of AI-driven personalization into Shoppies' UX design had a profound impact on the platform's performance. Improved user engagement. With personalized product recommendations and content, users spent more time on the platform, leading to increased engagement metrics. Increased conversion rates. The personalized approach resulted in a higher conversion rate, with more visitors making purchases. Enhanced customer retention. AI-driven personalization strengthened customer loyalty, with returning users benefiting from improved shopping experiences tailored to their preferences. Higher customer satisfaction. Users appreciated the ease of finding relevant products and the personalized shopping journey, leading to higher customer satisfaction scores. Conclusion: AI-driven personalization as a competitive advantage. Shoppies' successful integration of AI-driven personalization showcases the significant impact AI can have on the UX design industry. By tailoring experiences to individual users, businesses can enhance user engagement, drive conversions, and foster customer loyalty. As AI technology continues to advance, the ability to deliver personalized experiences will become a crucial competitive advantage in the ever-evolving digital landscape. Embracing AI-driven personalization in UX design empowers businesses to create meaningful connections with users, ultimately leading to long-term success in the competitive e-commerce market.